Hi, I'm Paula Bowers. I'm the Operations Manager at Expedited Service Partners. My primary role at Expedited Service Partners is to make sure that everything in the company is handled properly, from operations on up the chain and down the chain. So that's what my primary job is, making sure everybody gets what they need when they need it, customers and employees. I'm actually involved in all aspects of the company, from the financial side to the marketing, sales and marketing side, to the operations side, to vendor profiling side, to customer acquisitions. I am from the New Orleans area, and family is, what we all go home to. So they're the most important people in my life. Outside of work, the only thing I concentrate 99% of my time on making sure my family is well taken care of. Whether it's, I feed 25 people every week because I feed the neighborhood and my neighborhood kids and their grandkids. I've done a lot, and in this time I've had on earth, I've done it all. Done a lot, but still a lot to do. But my background is oil field. I come from the oil field world, and I worked at a major company, oil spill response company, for 24 years, and then I've opened my own businesses. I have a couple businesses under my belt. Just growing from there, there's no stopping point. Chris and I have been friends for a long time. We've got almost 20 years working together in different aspects, whether he was the customer and I was the customer, just partnering on different projects and stuff. And when he started ESP, him and I were the first ones. We talked about it a lot at the beginning, and we came up with the name together. This is a friendship more than employment for me. I'm helping a friend build a company, and I think we're doing a phenomenal job at it. And I've worked most major incidents in the last 40 years. 9/11 is always going to be the worst thing that's ever happened to any of us in the United States. So that's always going to be on the top of the list. And we did survive through Katrina, lost everything. I lost everything Katrina, then still maintained and worked and everything. We had 4,000 people working with the company at that time, where I come from. So all those challenges just make you appreciate those moments at home. I've, in my lifetime, lost everything 3 times during the hurricanes. I get what they feel. So I understand that aspect of it. So when we show up to a hurricane response, it means a little bit different once you've lived through it. And no disrespect to anyone else, when it happens to you, it's a whole different ball of wax. So that's why I think we are a little bit more in tune to what people are feeling when, we go out there and say, hey, you need a generator for you, to power up and stuff. And a lot of people are just in shell shock. So handling that aspect of it means a lot. I've traveled all over the country. I've been out of the country on jobs and things, and it's just always making sure we keep the people first, making sure we respect people, and we'll go a long way in life.